Good afternoon everyone. Today I'll present my research proposal which is about e-learning in Saudi Arabia universities. Firstly, I would like to briefly define e-learning. E-learning utilizes electronic technologies to access educational curriculum outside of a traditional classroom, typically via the internet. It is interactive in that students can easily communicate with teachers, professors, or other students in the class, for example, through online forums. At times it is delivered live, enabling students to electronically interact in real time, and at times it is a lecture that has been pre-recorded. E-learning has proven to be a successful method of training and education in many countries, including Australia. The reason I have chosen to study Saudi Arabia is because e-learning has recently been introduced here. As a result, many universities have yet to offer the full range of e-learning facilities such as lecture recordings and online classes or forums. Moreover, to my knowledge, UNISA, University Islam Sultan Sharif Ali, has not approved the full range of e-learning facilities in Saudi Arabian universities due to lack of adequate fundings. I strongly believe that e-learning facilities will benefit university students through the provision of more efficient means of study options, including better student-to-student and faculty-to-student communication, such online discussion boards and chats. Student-centered teaching approaches that cater for different learning styles. For example, if an instructor puts both lecture notes and slides online, both visual and auditory learners benefit. Providing 24/7 accessibility to course materials. In effect, my research questions will illustrate the outcome of utilizing e-learning facilities in Saudi Arabia universities. Having established the reason for choosing Saudi Arabia as my case study, let me explain how I intend to conduct my research and present my findings. Firstly, a short questionnaire consisting of 10 questions will be given to 400 students in King Saud University to measure the outcome of current e-learning facilities. This questionnaire will be based on a similar study conducted by Al Fahad, where Al Fahad research was about measuring the satisfaction of e-learning. However, my questionnaire will be measuring the outcome of e-learning. So I'll be using the same questionnaires that Al Fahad used, but to measure the outcome of e-learning. The data gathered through my research will illustrate how e-learning supports King Saud University students in their studies, as well as the positive and negative impact of e-learning. At the completion of my research, a copy of the findings will be sent to the head department at King Saud University. This study will determine whether or not Saudi Arabia university students are satisfied with the use of e-learning facilities. Provide new knowledge about the advantages and disadvantages of e-learning within the Saudi Arabia higher education sector. Assist King Saud University to determine whether or not it would be worthwhile to implement the full range of e-learning facilities. I hope that my research will provide valuable insights into students' e-learning experiences, so that appropriate strategies might be identified to improve e-learning facilities, not just at King Saud University, but all throughout the Saudi Arabia higher education sector.